Janagiraman, Dakshin Railway Employees Union. Comrades, I want to speak to you about the situation of railway employees. Previously, manual pass has been issued by the railway. All over Indian Railways, we got manual privilege passes. By using that paper passes, we will travel anywhere itself without getting reservation. And our family, our spouse, our wards, our widow mothers, our unmarried sisters, our crippled sons, each and everyone will use it for going to purchase. Our wards, our sons going to tuition class or computer class or tailoring class, whichever else. Our manual pass, paper pass will be used for that, for going to the nearest town or going to the railway hospital. But both the federations, ARF and NFIR, they agreed for the E-Pass and EPTO. After E-Pass has been issued, now the employees, without reservation, we can't to travel anywhere else. The employees, those who are coming from long distance, more than 100 kilometers to the works office or work spot, they want to now purchase a season ticket. After getting season ticket only, they are attending their office. This is the situation of E-Pass after introduction of E-Pass system. DRU raised one demand that by introducing the E-Pass, it should be declared as a travel authority by the railway board. If the E-Pass has been declared as a travel authority, our family members can show that UP number to the TT, concerned TTs, and to travel in unreserved coach by using the UMID. Because all our dependents, our spouse, wards and widow mothers or unmarried sisters, each and everyone got the UMID card, and they can show that card to the TTs and they can travel to the nearest town or anywhere else for their purchase or any use. But there is no expense for this. ARF and NFIR should demand for this, that E-Pass should be announced, declared as a travel authority. But why this federation was giving pressure to the railway board? There is no financial loss for this. But they are not ready. Whatever the government says, whatever the railway says, the both federation are accepting the same. So that we request the employees, whenever we neglect the federations, what is the use of this federation? Neglect the federations, fight on the street, then only we will get our privileges. Our humble request is, coming recent secret ballot election, kindly cast your vote for DRU in star symbol. Thank you all.